10 real AI tools and services that can help you build a startup worth millions. Once you master them, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. I've used each of these in my own startups and companies. These services literally replace a whole team. They are built so you can launch products fast and start seeing results. That's what this video is all about. My name is Max Evans. I'm engineering manager leading large technical teams. I've launched big business verticals and startups. I have judged global hackathons all over the world. I get asked to review technical books and books of management. And I am a member of 3 major developer associations. In this video, I'm giving you the best tools to build your future startup. So save this, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. I've also collected the full list of tools in a PDF. You can grab it via the link in the description. And you can even discuss the tools directly with me there. This video is here to flip your understanding of the modern startup stack. And just so you know, nobody paid me to say any of this. So this is literally the second video on this channel. Everything you'll hear my personal recommendation. Tool number 1. Supabase is the foundation, the real base you wanna set in every project. Databases, storage, functions, logic, it's all inside Supabase. Right now, it's the most popular backend as a service in the world. And what that means is you don't need to hire expensive backend developers. You don't need to ask someone to spin up databases on servers. You don't need to rent infrastructure. You don't need DevOps. None of that, because Supabase handles everything on its side. For startups, this is the best tool to begin with. And honestly, I use it in every single project I build. It lets you manage users, store data, and even plug in Google Authentication. And if you want full control, you can self-host it on your own server. I can't recommend it enough. Tool number 2. Cursor. Yes, this AI tool flipped the entire game. Because now you can create SaaS projects solo. You don't need to be an expert across every platform. If you have a general understanding of code, you can piece together almost any project. For me, Cursor is the way to build services fast and with quality, to test hypotheses and ideas without burning months. And here is the real insight. Cursor is not something beginners will benefit from most. It's pros who should be using this. Because when experienced developers use Cursor, their speed multiplies many times over. That speed is your advantage. Tool number 3. Amplitude. This is the perfect tool for analytics and statistics in your project. I use it to see what users actually do inside my apps. Not spying on them, no, but tracking the events they trigger and the order they happen. Like tap on the product card, add it to the cart, complete the payment. So I can follow the full chain of actions, track conversions, and spot the exact points where users drop out. Amplitude gives me insights into real user behavior. A huge rookie mistake is skipping analytics at the start. Don't do that. My advice, learn Amplitude and lay analytics into your product today, if you don't have it yet. Tool number 4. Notion. Notion is a giant constructor. Inside it, you can build the whole structure of your business. Bookkeeping, CRM systems, knowledge bases, process descriptions, progress tracking. If you still haven't figured out how to use Notion to build real business logic, it's time to do this. I personally use it both for building company processes and startups, and also for journaling and even therapy. That's how wide and flexible this tool is. And it gets even better. Notion has APIs. You can build logic on any service side and use Notion to update your table automatically. Strongly recommended. Tool number 5. ChatGPT 5. Of course, I couldn't skip this one. You've all heard of it. Most likely, you're already using it. For me, ChatGPT, like Notion, is a partner, a helper in literally everything. I use it for business and for personal life. Need to evaluate a bottle of wine? ChatGPT. Need a workout plan? ChatGPT. Build and structure a business plan? ChatGPT. Hiring a team, creating job descriptions, brainstorming new ideas? ChatGPT. I really recommend expanding your mind with neural networks. And ChatGPT is great at that. Tool number 6. Stripe. Stripe has become the global standard for payments. If you're building any online business, there is a 90% chance you'll use Stripe. It lets you accept payments easily, set up recurrent subscriptions, and handles all the payments logic on its side. Your only job? Just receive the money. For any new project, I recommend Stripe as your payment system. There are a ton of convenient wrappers, libraries for it. So make sure you learn this one. Tool number 7, n8n. Yeah, of course, n8n makes this list too. And honestly, this tool feels magical because it builds a huge amount of backend logic for you. If Supabase was more about databases, then n8n is about the logic of your project. If you're building an MVP, there is 90% chance you'll be using n8n today. It's free, it's open source. That means you can deploy it on your own server. Now, it's not ideal for massive projects, but if you want to assemble something quickly and launch to market, this is perfect. Want to build AI automations? Want to connect different services into one clean workflow? n8n is your best choice. I recommend it for all beginners. Tool number 8, Meta Ads and TikTok Ads. Yes, I know. These aren't exactly AI tools, but let's be real, without them you won't get far. All the other services can be swapped for alternatives, but these two, non-negotiable. This is literally advertising on Instagram and TikTok. After you build a product, you need users, people who will use it and pay. And the best way to get users? Advertising. Even better, if you learn how to run ads yourself. You need to understand Meta Ads and TikTok Ads managers. Learn how to create ads, how to test creatives, how to set tracking pixels in your products. Once you do that, the possibilities open up huge. Advertising drives progress. Tool number 9, YouTube. What? YouTube? Yes, exactly. Don't be surprised. This tool will bring your B2B clients, partners, connections, and most people don't realize just how powerful it is. For example, this channel. I'm not making it for money, I'm making it for networking. And by the way, if you wanna connect with me, discuss a startup or a project, invite me to collaborate. My emails is in description. If you don't find it, let me know, I'll add it. That's how it works. YouTube becomes a generator of connections for you. It expands your network. And in 2025, your network is everything. That's why I recommend everyone to start building a personal brand. It's more important than everything else. With a strong personal brand, every door in the world opens. Tool number 10, Krea. Now, after all those big services, you might be surprised I'm mentioning Krea. But don't rush to conclusions. Krea is fantastic for AI visuals. That means you can create thumbnails, photo shoots, profile pictures, all inside Krea. And if you still think visuals aren't important, you're wrong. These tools can generate hundreds of videos, thousands of images, putting your content production almost entirely on autopilot. Think about it. Master these 10 tools, and you'll be ahead of 99% of people. Grab the names of all the tools and direct link to them in one handy PDF, link in the description. Subscribe, this is only my second video on this channel. Your support means a lot. I hope this video helped you. See you in the next one. Bye.